powRgrip system is the safest tool holding system on the market today, which makes it virtually impossible for the operators to burn themselves or be exposed to toxic fumes with its innovative press-fit technology. The safe and effective powRgrip system features perfectly matched components and foolproof assembly for the easiest and fastest tool holding on the market. Start setting the tool now. powRgrip and its press-fit assembly is so fast your tool will be ready and safe to use in just a few seconds. powRgrip delivers industry-leading run-out and clamping force with strong and rigid tool holders, along with providing high vibration damping thanks to the REGO-FIX press-fit technology. The powRgrip system from REGO-FIX keeps users safe and reduces setup time to mere seconds. With its heat and fume-free design, the collets and tool holders are pressed together with a small tabletop press. With a powRgrip system, manufacturers can achieve outstanding productivity with the industry's highest clamping force and keep machining accurately for years and years to come.